later we will move from www to 4W, and in the smart city you will find the completely wireless based technology. Okay.
Sir, sir, uh, sir, what is the meaning of infotainment in connected cars? Hello.
Yeah, Neha. Yeah, please repeat.
So what is the meaning of infotainment in connected car? Infotainment.
Where?
Sir, in this IoT applications connected car option.
Infotainment means information exchange.
Okay.
Okay, information. It is a part of basically a information exchange. Okay, it is all about the connect, collect, exchange.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, is there any version of smart city? Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Hello. Is there any version of smart city? Because I'm asking that today's smart city will be totally different from 5 years later smart city, technologically and all this connectivity. So, how we can differentiate it in terms of
It's all in the process of making a smart city. Nothing version. I don't think it is there.
It is in the processor. It will take the time, sir. It will take the time, and you add at least 4 to 5 years more, sir, in your targeted earlier defined target, sir. Okay, but for the concept point of view, I am telling you, it is a magic of connectivity, and for BSNL point of view, it should be made very clear that our job is to provide the ubiquitous connectivity, uninterrupted connectivity in the smart city. Okay, and smart pole is the one example of this smart city, and we are in conversation with so many vendors or the third parties, in collaboration with the third parties, to grab the things inside the smart city more. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
Now it's time for today's assignment, sir. Today's assignment is role of BSNL in smart city and status. Have you got my question, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't just share ke smart pole will be there and this one connectivity will be there. Okay, I request all of you, so please contribute in this one. Please ask to your friends, okay, who is dealing with the smart city project, whether corporate office level or the field units. Okay, so what is the job of smart poles? Okay, what basic purpose they solve, and how third party collaboration is there in case of this smart city. So complete workout, please, at least little amount of workout is needed for this one, and then please share in the WhatsApp group, so that maximum people can be benefited by this. Have you got the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, role of BSNL in smart city, and what is the status of project that is being deployed by the BSNL. Now another is, sir, IoT is basically classified into two parts. Okay, IoT ecosystem is classified into two parts. First one is the consumer, another one is the industrial. Industrial means it will be a IIoT, industrial internet of things, that will be a part of industry 4.0. From Monday onwards I will start the industry 4.0. So you will learn the industrial IoT part, you will learn the entire things inside the industry 4.0, and the things basically that is related to the consumer applications that comes under the IoT consumer applications. Okay, or IoT consumer IoT basically. So it can be workplace play, asset tracking, personal healthcare areas, healthcare pairs, or the wearable technology, home security, smart domestic things. Okay, these things come under the consumer applications. this type of thing, wearable skin patches. Okay, wearable skin patches. Okay, what is the role of this skin patches?
Sir, movement tracking.
Sir, movement tracking and
Movement
health
tracking
related,
and,
health, sir, body related
Health
parameters.
related also.
Related.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
body related parameters regularly
BP,
send.
BP temperature and all.
BP, regular temperatures, and these basically these are very much essential or very much this much informative or very much beneficial basically in case of diabetic patient. Okay, regularly measure the this one blood sugar level. Okay, blood sugar level and send.
But sir,
It's one
sir,
example I am giving.
I think sugar
Recently,
level.
recently for COVID-19 testing, these skin patches have been given, and that was monitored by hospital staff. That was recently in Italy, where voluntarily one person has been injected with COVID virus, and it is being monitored by hospital and research through remote by using this skin patch.
Sir, definitely, exactly. You have replied this one. So these skin patches are the very much beneficial in case of healthcare basically. Okay, regularly update the parameters related to your body temperature and this one. At present basically limitations are there. Okay, technology not in a much in an advanced manner. Okay, limitations are there, some limitations are there. So but as earlier sir told, it plays a very crucial role in this one COVID-19 scenario, like movement tracking and the virus spreading or like these things, and especially in case of blood sugar also. In case of blood sugar also, some company have developed a system.
Sir, is there anything possible like with patches we can measure blood sugar level?
Sir, it is there, sir. One device is there, sir. I forget the company name. Okay, it is just like a belt basically. You need to wear on stomach, sir. On the stomach, sir. I am also a diabetic, sir. That's why I am telling. I forget the name, sir. Okay, I forget the name.
Okay,
I will share. I will share in the WhatsApp group, and it regularly sends the data to the cloud or some centralized platform. And regularly, whenever it goes beyond the cutoff, okay, beyond the cutoff, automatically insulin will be injected through the stomach, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, automation is there because it is very difficult to maintain. In case of blood sugar, basically it is a management, sir. It is a management part. Okay, you cannot rectify the entire things. It is a completely management. It is a play of insulin. So if you maintain the proper insulin level in the body, then it is a very good, and it is a need of an hour. It is very much essential. So that's why these devices have been developed, sir. Okay, I will share the link in the this one in the WhatsApp group, sir, about this one. I have this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I forgot the name of this one. So these things are there. Have you got the idea about this one, sir? Wearable skin patches.
Yeah, sir.
And so, believe me, sooner than later. हाँ.
सर आपने बोला कि शुगर लेवल एक लेवल से ऊपर होगा तो ऑटोमेटिक स्टोमक से इंजेक्ट हो जाएगा इंसुलिन, तो कैसे पॉसिबल है
सर? ये क्लाउड ऐसा है, डेटा सर ये जो है डेटा जाएगा क्लाउड पे, वो सेंट्रलाइज प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाएगा डेटा आपकी बॉडी का. उसमें क्या है, उसमें क्या होता है, जैसे आपकी शुगर मान लीजिए 350 चल रही है, 350 चल रही है, ठीक है सर, आपने कुछ मेडिसिन ली या जो भी की, आपका क्या है उस समय जो है कम हो गया, आपकी हो गई मान लो इंसुलिन की हिसाब से 100 रह गई, तो उस समय आपको इंसुलिन नहीं देनी है, ठीक है. लेकिन आप क्या है, जनरली हम मैनुअल तो टेस्ट करते नहीं है, तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली जो कंट्रोल है ये आपका आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस जो क्लाउड पे एनालिटिक्स है, इट विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय दैट पार्ट. ओके, ऑटोमेटिकली इंजेक्ट होगा. और इवन इसमें क्या है कि अगर मान लो शुगर लो होने वाली है आपकी, अभी क्या सिम्टम्स होते हैं कि थोड़ी बेचैनी होगी, फेडेडनेस होगी, लाइट हेडेडनेस होगी, इस तरह के सिम्टम्स आते हैं, तो आपको क्या मैनुअली होती है ये चीजें. उस केस में क्या अलार्म भी बज करना शुरू करेगा. इसमें सारी कंप्लीट प्रोसेस है सर. अलार्म बज करना शुरू करेगा तो अलार्म
तो ठीक है सर, लेकिन
सर हाउ वुड इट इंजेक्ट, मतलब बेसिकली इंजेक्शन मींस कि इट विल हैव टू pierce through the skin.
Sir, just like a pen, sir, just like insulin pen, a complete kit is there, sir. inside that automatically injection will be there, and after 2-3
Okay.
days you manually you need to replace this one needle.
The needle will be also be there.
हाँ
in
सर, complete
batch.
जैसे इंसुलिन पैन होता है ना सर, इंसुलिन पैन होता है,
Right.
तो इसी तरह का
Yes,
सब
yes.
उसमें प्रोविजन है सर. I will send the pic and link in WhatsApp group sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so
इवन
this
सर
type- हाँ.
आजकल यूएस में डेवलप किया है जिसमें कि शुगर पेशेंट्स के लिए वो लोग एक डिवाइस डेवलप करी है जो वो अंदर ही स्टमक के अंदर डाल देते हैं ऑपरेशन करके,
हाँ सर.
एंड इट इज अ लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ 5 years जो अपने आप ही कंट्रोल करेगा शुगर को. जैसे ही कम होगा या ज्यादा होगा तो वो इंसुलिन रिलीज कर देगा और
बिल्कुल सर.
ऑटोमेटिक है. उसका कोई प्लेटफॉर्म से वो नहीं है. इन्होंने अभी 2 साल पहले इन्होंने यूएस में डेवलप किया है. अब इंडिया में भी उसको ला रहे हैं क्योंकि पेन से इंजेक्ट करना बड़ा टिपिकल है कि आपको कितनी इंसुलिन देनी है कितनी नहीं देनी है, तो वो
हाँ.
ऑटोमेटिकली चेक करता है और सारा रेगुलेट कर देता है वो.
सर उस केस में भी क्या है ना, सब सेंट्रलाइज प्लेटफॉर्म में भी चाहिए कहीं ना कहीं जो है सेंसिंग डिवाइस और ये सब होगा कुछ ना कुछ चक्कर, उसका मुझे एग्जैक्ट आइडिया नहीं है
हाँ
आर्किटेक्चर.
उसमें
लेकिन सूनर देन लेटर सर, सूनर देन लेटर टेक्नोलॉजी विल बी
हाँ.
एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ सर. Okay, technology will be
Right, correct.
life will be a technology driven. This is the main idea about that. Your life will be a technology driven.
Correct.
And best example we have seen in the COVID-19 sir. COVID-19 में हमने best example
Correct.
देखा है, whether in the form of robots or the cobots or whether this is skin patches. Is that clear sir?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
nice.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, sir.
This one also, this is also one type of this skin patches that regularly sends the data, brain data basically, okay, or this backbone data towards the cloud sir. Okay, some purposes are there, I forget about that, okay, what specific purpose is there, but these type of skin patches are there. So basic job is to gather the data and send it to the hospitals, and vital part plays in the digital twin. Okay, what basically a digital twin is, I will discuss later on. Digital twin is the architectural or basically simply your clone. Okay, that will reside inside the hospital in the software part. Whenever you follow the healthy lifestyle, your data will be changed. And your clone will behave perfectly. And whenever you unhealthy lifestyle you will follow, so your clone will predict automatically ke in very nearby future ke it may be possible ke before you met with the heart attack, your ambulance will be outside your house. Okay, it may be like that sir. So initially Medanta started the digital twin in healthcare, so that is purely based upon the IoT wearable devices.
Please, sir.
हाँ सर.
हेलो सर.
हाँ सर.
एक बार डिजिटल ट्विन थोड़ा वापस बता दीजिए सर.
The digital is just like architectural representation in the software sir. आर्किटेक्चरल जैसे आप हैं, आपका क्या है कि हॉस्पिटल में सारा का सारा टेस्टिंग वगैरह होके एक आर्किटेक्चरल सॉफ्टवेयर रिप्रेजेंटेशन बनेगा, ठीक है, और ये स्किन पैचेस के जरिए जो है वो क्लाउड पे डेटा जाएगा हमारा सारा का सारा या सेंट्रलाइज प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाएगा. और जैसे जैसे आप हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल पैटर्न फॉलो करेंगे, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट योर क्लोन विल बिहेव and automatically predictions will be there कि you need to increase your BP medicine or sugar medicine or whatever it may be. और इसमें क्या है कि अगर आपने अनहेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल फॉलो किया तो ये आपका क्लोन जो है ऑटोमेटिकली वो करेगा, उस चीज को ऑटोमेटिकली प्रेडिक्ट कर देगा कि सपोज इन फ्यूचर भगवान ना करे कभी ऐसा हो कि सपोज हार्ट अटैक आने वाला है तो उससे पहले ही एम्बुलेंस आ जाएगी, क्योंकि ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड सर. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड. दिस इज द आर्किटेक्चरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिजिटल ट्विन. Another example also I can take in the form of technology sir for the digital twin. ये शुरू किया था बॉस्ट ने, इसमें सिमंस ने किया था वॉशिंग मशीन में सर. एट प्रेजेंट व्हाट इज द सिनेरियो सर, आपकी मशीन जब खराब हो जाती है तब आपको पता लगता है ना सर. वॉशिंग मशीन जब खराब हो जाती है, व्हाट यू डू, यू सिंपली कॉल टू द कस्टमर केयर.
कॉल द टेक्नीशियन
लाइक दैट ना सर.
यस सर.
है ना, बट द मेजर ड्रॉबैक इज यहाँ पे ब्रेक डाउन हो गया, यहाँ पे प्रोसेस रुक गया. बट टुडे इन द टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन वर्ल्ड शो मस्ट गो ऑन, प्रोसेस तो रुकना ही नहीं है. तो इन क्या नाम है, इन डिजिटल ट्विन, थ्रू द डिजिटल ट्विन आपकी वॉशिंग मशीन का आर्किटेक्चरल रेफरेंस मॉडल वहाँ के डेटा सेंटर पे रखा हुआ है, और डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर यूजेस पैटर्न और द एनर्जी और वट एवर सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट योर digital this twin or your clone washing machine clone will predict के ये मशीन आपकी खराब होने वाली है, और खराब होने से पहले ही कस्टमर केयर का कोई ना कोई कंपनी का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आके वो पार्ट पर्टिकुलरली आपका बदल देगा। ओके अभी क्या है, आप फोन करेंगे, वो आपका चेक करेगा इंजीनियर आके, उसके बाद वो आपका पता लगा उसका मदरबोर्ड खराब हो गया या मोटर खराब हो गई, वो ऑर्डर डालेगा, उसके बाद आएगा। इज दैट क्लियर सर?
Right, right.
But in nearby future, through the digital twin, automobile sector also some companies adopted this one. Volkswagen started with this digital twin. So आने वाले टाइम में ये ऑटोमेटिकली ये होगा सर, ऑटोमेटिकली ये जो है आपका सर्विस इंजीनियर पार्ट लेके आएगा, बेल बजाएगा कि सर आपकी वॉशिंग मशीन खराब होने वाली है, ये चेंज करना। Am I making sense that it is not a hypothetical thing? It is not a hypothetical thing.
No, sir. Even today, sir, LG was freezes.
Yeah.
If anything goes wrong, the customer you call the customer care, and customer care people will tell to press one button on the freeze, and automatically one signal is generated through Wi-Fi. It is connected to your phone, and message is sent to this service center. What part is gone wrong? They will come with that part only.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
It is this facility is available in high means 30,000, 40,000 LG freezes.
Yes, sir. So these type of this is the magic of connectivity. Basically, we are living in the world of a smart city or the IoT ecosystem. So these type of things will be there. So it is a part of basically digital twin. So in nearby future, this type of things will be there. Okay, before it is a predictive analysis. It is a predictive analysis. Okay, before the breakdown, the thing show must go on. The basic funda is that के वो पहले ही उसमें वो सारा का सारा provision होगा इस चीज के लिए जो है. Is that clear, sir?
Clear.
Okay, this is the basic
Yes,
digital
sir.
twin in the healthcare also, in the automobile, इसमें machinery also. So this type of things will be there. And one thing I want to add, sir, in a advanced stage of that one, some hypothetical thing is there. Suppose you have bought one product. Suppose washing machine आप purchase करते हैं, you bought some washing machine, say LG, whatever it may be, and you are not happy with this one. So what you will do? कोई product आपने खरीदा and you are not happy with the performance of that product. You have to bear with that. Only option is
Yes,
you have
sir.
to bear with that. Is there any mechanism? Automatically feedback can be taken. And simply company can take. Okay, customer comes first. Okay, today is the business era. Okay, in the smart business era we are living. In the business intelligence field we are living. So because your satisfaction is much more crucial than your product. Okay, but basically company needs, they want to capture the customers. Okay, suppose you are not satisfied with your washing machine. So what can be there in nearby future or advanced stage? Some hypothetical thing is there, sir. Is there any automatic feedback is there? Can be there.
Can be there. It can be there. Automatic feedback can be there. Say if
sir,
a machine goes faulty.
नहीं sir,
Say
if a
machine goes.
Sir, you have not got my point. Basically, you have not got this one.
Okay,
Suppose
okay.
You have bought one product from a company. Okay, suppose you have bought one LG washing machine, XYZ washing machine, and you are not happy with the performance of this one. That means it is working, but you find that it is not worthy as per your amount that you have spent.
Frequency of users.
And so many times we found that, especially in case of mobile also. In case of mobile also, के यार ले तो लिया यार मजा नहीं आ रहा. एक one word is there. Okay, so because your satisfaction is much more crucial today. Life is the technology driven. So in very
Sir, it will read our mind.
Definitely. Very excellently, sir. You have replied. That will be the reading of mind, and one thing is also there. That is the facial recognition. Facial recognition will also be there, sir, inside that. Okay, through which company will judge your feedback, will get your feedback and simply replace this product. Simply replace this product. Is that clear, sir? But it will take the time. It is a part of industry 5.0. I will not going to confuse you with industry 4.0, 5.0. Forget about that. Okay, because guidelines have not decided by the inside the industry 5.0. But this type of things you will find inside because technology always demand what next, and we humans are the curious one. We want to make our life better and better. Sir, up to this it is clear. Am I making sense or not? Hypothetical तो नहीं लग रहा ना सर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नहीं sir,
नहीं sir,
hypothetical
नहीं
लग
sir.
रहा।
Okay, sir. These are
Excellent.
okay, sir. Believe me, these are the real world examples. Okay, another one is the GI tract sensor. It is a Solomon capsule, sir. It is not a capsule. It is a sensor. It is a sensor, sir. Okay, it is a sensor. How it works?
Sir, it is gastrointestinal tract sensors. It
हाँ,
will
sir.
be swallowed inside your mouth, and it will go into your intestine, and it will sense whatever something, if something wrong is there, it will sense, and accordingly medicines will be given to by the doctor.
Yes, sir. Okay, definitely it will be there, and it will regularly send the update to centralized platform. And I have taken some explanation as per the Professor Koros Kalinger Zade. It is very difficult to pronounce the name of professor. Okay, is an Australian scientist, study lead, and a co-inventor of the capsule. Comments that trials showed the presence of high concentration of oxygen in the colon under an extremely high fiber diet. This contradicts the old belief that the colon is always oxygen free. This new information could help us better understand how debilitating the disease like colon cancer occur. Okay, more and more we want to make our life better and better. So now we are living in the world of sensors and the smart sensors basically. So these sensors can be solved on this how this works basically. This is the pictorial diagram. I have taken this one for your reference point of view. Have you got the idea? ये
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
में जाके सर ये यहाँ से पूरा डेटा गैदर कर रहा है, पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन एनवायरनमेंट को सेंस कर रहा है, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेटा गैदर्ड, so your predictive and all these analysis will be done. All these analysis will be done. Up to this it is okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now IoT makes smart. I have, sir. Smart
Sir,
makes.
this sensor is soluble. After some time, it will collapse and it will be dissolved.
हाँ sir, it is
No,
degradable.
it is not soluble.
Yeah, it is a degradable. Yes sir. After the purpose fulfilled, it is automatically it will be destroyed, or through the remote, and also it can be destroyed, sir. Signal through the signaling. Okay.
So like
the
our
main
satellites.
Okay, the basic purpose is to gather the data. Because it is very difficult to judge basically or identify कि human body में क्या चल रहा है, sir. Okay, it is very tough task. Okay, to insert anything, and human body की एक tendency होती है rejection. It is very difficult है कोई भी चीज accept करने के लिए, sir. कोई भी चीज जैसे इम्प्लांट वगैरह करते हैं तो सबसे पहले डर रहता है मेडिकल साइंस में कि रिजेक्ट ना कर दे बॉडी. So that's why this possibility has been searched out to solve in the this sensors in the form of nano or the dust sensor, or this one is small size sensors, so that to gather the data. Another one is what basically smart means. I have already clear. Smart means having a clean TD or the stylish appearance, a place or event that is fashionable, stylish, or rich people, intelligent or able. But in our case, sir, okay, in our case it is simply means it is a connected. Okay, simply for your reference point of view, smart means connected, and don't directly jump to that it will be connected to internet. Okay, from since beginning, I am repeating the things. Connected means not only the internet, it can be the range bound, local range bound communication over Zigbee, Bluetooth, or whatever it may be, any other. So another applications we have seen various sectors: smart healthcare, smart vehicles, smart cities, smart dust. Also, computers smaller than a grain of sand can be sprayed or injected almost everywhere to measure the chemicals in the soil or to diagnose the problems in the human body. Okay, so have you seen this? Any have you aware about the urea? एक यूरिया
Yes,
ग्रेन्स
sir.
आते हैं सर जो एग्रीकल्चर से
Yes,
जुड़े
sir.
होंगे
Yes,
शायद
sir.
Fertilizer.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes,
है ना
sir.
fertilizer is there. So just like that,
Yes.
some white grains are there in the form of biodegradable nano sensors. Nowadays we spray in the agriculture ground and they regularly send the soil quality and what basically irrigation parameters and all these things to the centralized cloud, and according to that some actuation can be, so many things can be there to increase the productivity. To increase the productivity, one project is there in the blockchain basically. In the blockchain basically in the blockchain I will cover this basically ke how one project is there from the government side, from field agriculture field to plate, how the technology make the existence, okay, and how the supply chain management and the food quality and all those things and even productivity also can be maintained or can be more communicable within each other, can be made. So this is the project name is the this one from field to plate, from field unit to plate. Okay, agricultural field to plate. This is the project, and that is purely based upon the IoT based sensors. Smart parking, smart health, noise urban maps, okay, smartphone detection, traffic congestion, smart lighting, waste management, smart roads are only very few. Okay, because there is no limitation regarding the applications. Okay, it is a enormous application, and your imagination and creativity is the only limitation inside the IoT applications. Okay, forest fire detection, air pollution, earthquake early detection, water leakage, radiation levels, intelligence shopping application, inventory, retail management. Even each and uh, every sector, IoT plays a vital role. Okay, that's why it is not a single technology. Okay, it is not a single technology. It is a complete ecosystem. So far, any doubts, sir?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir. It's clear.
Ha, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So
Sir,
many.
sir. One thing I would like to know how earthquake early detection would be there, because so far nobody is able to
Sir,
forecast
in
earthquake.
basically some a lot of studies going on, especially in case of earthquake. A lot of studies going on. Basically, in disaster management, we use this IoT based devices and earlier prediction also. A lot of research is going on. Okay, I will share the material. Okay, how exactly we can predict this one, but it is not 100% accurate. It is not 100% accurate. We cannot predict the earthquake in advance, sir. Okay, but a lot of
Sir,
research work is
so
going
far
on.
no sensor and no technology is available to predict earthquake.
But a lot of work is going on this one. Some layer based things are there. If some movement in between the plates or layers are there, so some type of prediction can be made, sir. In geographical project is going on, sir. I will
Yes,
share.
sir. Yes, sir. It is there. That way it can be made, but that is totally prediction, and that is not certainty.
That is not
And
exactly.
it cannot
It is there,
it
sir. This is
it
the
cannot be told that it will occur in 1 day, 1 month, or 1 year, or 1 decade.
no, sir.
There is
Exactly, it is
nothing
there.
certainty.
Exactly, you are correct, sir. But somehow in the disaster management, it plays a vital role. And in case of this one, a lot of research is going on for this one. How the earthquake
Because
can
of
be.
based on that research only seismic zones are classified.
And basically, sensor-based communication will play a important or beneficial part for in the research work, basically. And maybe in nearby future, we can predict the earthquake also, sir. Maybe in nearby future.
Maybe that is the
No,
possibility,
up to this
because
day,
science is enormous and there is nothing as impossible.
हाँ सर, और सबसे बड़ी चीज क्या है कि डेफिनेटली इट इज नॉट लाइक ए गॉड सर। सबसे पहली चीज तो सबसे ऊपर तो वो अलमाइटी गॉड है, उसके बाद ही
Yes,
सब
sir.
चीज।
Yes, sir.
तो डेट्स
Yes,
व्हाई
sir.
नो टेक्नोलॉजी इज मेड के एकदम से आप प्रेडिक्ट कर देंगे हर चीज को, बट डेफिनेटली वी ह्यूमंस वांट टू मेक आवर लाइफ बेटर बेटर एंड बेटर। और यहाँ पे एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आ जाती है कि वी आर फीडिंग द पावर और इंटेलिजेंस इन द मशीन्स। ओके, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि मशीन्स कल को हम पे हावी हो जाए सर। इन नियर बाई फ्यूचर
Yes, sir.
we have the threat also sir, this type of threat also, like Terminator movie if you have seen, maybe machines should harm or machine can harm the humans. Okay, so that's why I have added one slide, or I have taken the point regarding the safety security measures. One parameter, two parameters have been added: reliability and the safety. Security deals with humans should not harm the machines. Okay, humans should not harm the cyber security, this cyber world. And in case of safety, it is a vice versa. Basically, machines should not harm the humans. Okay, machine should not harm those humans.
Humans.
Safety is
Humans.
safety is also in very nearby future. It will play a very vital role. How to stay safe against the powerful machines. Okay, that's why, because we are feeding the intelligence in the machines. Okay, sir.
सर अभी सर आपने वो रिलायबिलिटी वर्ड भी यूज
Yes, sir.
किया, उसके बारे में नहीं बताया सर आपने।
रिलायबिलिटी के लिए ये बताया है मैंने। रिलायबिलिटी के लिए बेसिकली क्या है कि सिस्टम शुड वर्क, शो मस्ट गो ऑन। ओके, देयर शुड बी सम ट्रस्ट, देयर शुड बी ए ट्रस्ट, सम ट्रस्ट कि आपने इंसुलिन बेल्ट तो लगा ली, इंसुलिन बेल्ट तो लगा ली, लेकिन सम इज इट रिलायबल और नॉट, इट इज वर्किंग और नॉट, हाउ टू डिसाइड?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
है ना? सो
Yes, sir.
सिस्टम शुड बी रिलायबल एंड सेफ्टी शुड बी देयर। both things are there. Well, earlier in the cyber security, CIA was there, confidentiality or the integrity and availability was there, and two more dimensions are included in the cyber physical system, CPS based system, that is the safety and the reliability. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So sir, up to this we have today we have seen so many things in the application part basically. And what basically a part is, we have seen the smart city concept also. And from here your new topic starts. I am taking one application, that is the smart city in detail, because it is quite difficult for me to take each and every application and to make the proper description for that one, because it is very difficult for this one. But what I want to cover, I want to cover the smart city portion in this course. So it is a new topic, and I hope it is already 10 or 10 5
10, 15.
10 12 is there. So can we wind up the session up to this, because from there it completely new topic will be there, sir. It is.
Right.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Anna, if you have any doubt, we can
Okay,
discuss.
sir.
We can discuss. Still 4 minutes are there. So those who joined today, please share me. Okay, please share me your details on my WhatsApp, so, and I will add you in my WhatsApp group also. Okay, what is that? 1200. Wait, 10. This is my number. What is the today's assignment?
The role of BSNL in वो smart city and its status.
हाँ, definitely. And what I expect from all of you, कि please work out at least 5 or 10 minutes. इससे ज्यादा नहीं लगेगा। ठीक है, आप कहीं से ये डेटा इस तरह का आप किसी भी फ्रेंड से बात करेंगे तो वो आपको देगा, प्रोवाइड कराएगा, और तब आप जो है ये एक तरह से केस स्टडी है। ओके, केस स्टडी है। अदरवाइज सिंपल आंसर इज स्मार्ट पोल विल बी देयर। एंड मैंने आपको बताया यूबीक्यू, आवर रोल इज द यूबीक्यूअस कनेक्टिविटी। हमारा कोई भी एप्लीकेशन से लेना देना नहीं है, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ टाइम वी डायरेक्टली जंप इनटू द कंक्लूजन। स्किन पैचेस देखते हैं कि हम बीएसएनएल में स्किन पैचेस डिप्लॉय करेंगे। ठीक है, बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं जो है स्पेशली कि स्किन पैचेस देंगे, ये देंगे सर, ये तो टेलीकॉम में हमारा काम नहीं होना चाहिए, ये नहीं होना चाहिए। तो हमारा जॉब केवल क्या है, कनेक्टिविटी प्रोवाइड कराना। And definitely don't be confused in whether wireline, wireless. We are moving towards the NGPN, that is the next generation broadband network, and it will be a completely wireless network. Okay, we are moving from WWW to 4W, World Wide Web to World Wide Wireless Web. Is that clear? Is that clear? Any doubt?
Sir, backbone also be wireless.
Which one, sir?
Backbone.
Sir, नहीं sir, ऐसा
that is also possible, but it will be wired.
sooner
Better
than
it is
later, sir.
wired.
Sooner than later. In the case of Web 4.0, everything will be a wireless. In Web 4.0, sir.
Everything, backbone also, core system
Okay, in
also.
Web 4.0. But abhi still it will take the time, sir. So many years it will take, sir. It will take the decades.
Oh.
Sir, even now backbone is possible to give on this wireless optical. Wireless
Sir.
optical.
Haan, sir, so many technologies are there, and we are moving. Our ultimate aim is to move towards the
even
wireless.
BSNL is deploying these technologies. BSNL is also deploying. In 5G, Reliance has also used this optical backbone.
Haan, sir,
Optical connectivity.
Definitely, sir. We humans are the curious one. We want to make our life better.
Only thing is that, sir, its distance range is very short. It is around 400-500 meters, and
Yes,
in
sir.
5G technology is such that BTS requirement is very high. It will be ranging will be around less than 1 kilometer or half
Yes,
kilometer
sir.
or so.
Yes, sir.
So
We will move
connectivity.
from triple
Yes,
W
sir.
to 4W, and our ultimate aim is to reach in directly jump into the Web 4.0 as early as possible. And sir, further I am requesting to all of you, okay, please be interactive in the WhatsApp group and stay with me. Okay, trust on me. I want to explore more and more. I want to share more and more things with you. I don't know you people are happy or not. So with my speed basically, because I believe in the slow learning, okay, because some outcome should be there. Otherwise, it is a 2-hour job to complete the 200 or 300 slides for me. For my point of view, it is not a problem, but some outcome should be there. So, but I am very much happy to all of you to interact with all of you. Okay, and I am further thankful to all of you कि आपने मेरे पे believe किया और आप 2-3 घंटे मेरे साथ stay करते हैं शाम में ये इसके लिए interactive session के लिए. So thank you all of you, sir. Okay, thank you all of you. Good night.
Thanks, sir.
Enjoy.
Sir.
Thanks, sir. Good night, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
हेलो सर. सर आपकी जैसे आप बता रहे पाइथन क्लास कब लेंगे सर आप आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और ये नेक्स्ट वीक में
सर अभी टाइम लगेगा अभी स्टे कीजिए सर अभी तो इसी में 15th के